Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'm going to cover question 47 from D exercises in James Stewart calculus. So you're asked to prove this identity. I'm going to choose the left hand side, and on the left hand side I have sec y minus cosine of y, and sec is the reciprocal of cosine, so I can replace sec with 1 over cosine of the same angle. Now I'm going to find a common denominator, which is just cosine of y. This one already has it, so I can just take y over there. This one has a 1 there, so 1 multiplied by cosine, then 1 into cosine, that is cosine, and cosine multiplied by negative cosine. So that gives you negative cosine squared. So this is what we currently have now, and this reminds me of another identity, and the identity is sine squared of an angle plus cosine squared of the same angle give you 1. And if you move cosine to that side, it will look like this. So sine squared of y is 1 minus cosine squared y, which means in place of this, you can put sine squared of y. So in place of the numerator here, we can just have sine squared y divided by cosine of y. And anything squared is basically equal to what you're squaring multiplied by itself. And now we can split this in this way. So here's another identity. Tan of y is sine of y divided by cosine of y. So if you just focus on this part, we have tan multiplying sine. And that is exactly what we have on the right hand side. So we've now proven the identity.